Lesson 151 of the 6th grade Excel, comparing value and converting different currencies. Currency is money. We're going to take a look at that. The basic unit of currency in the United States is the dollar. Did you know that they didn't have dollars? Oh, I have a studio audience. Say hello, everybody.
Hi.
Okay, so the studio audience, do you guys know that not every country uses dollars?
Yes. Yes.
Look at that. Other countries use different units of money. When traveling, it may be necessary to exchange dollars for the money used in that country. Currencies are not equal, however, and you do not get one unit of local currency for each dollar. In other words, when you go to Mexico, you're not going to get 1 peso for $1. You might get different amounts of pesos for your dollar, right? Let's see. The conversion process is similar to conversion of standard and metric units, except the exchange rate will often change from day to day. So, in other words, how many pesos you get today for your dollar, tomorrow it might be a different amount. It actually changes. All right, it says use the internet or a newspaper for the rates. So what we want you to do is type in, go on the internet right now and type in conversion rates or money, currency. Probably type in currency and conversion. Where's conversion? Type in those two words into Google, and I bet you're going to get a bunch of websites. They're going to tell you what today's conversion rate is, and then you're going to try to fill those right in here. Okay? For each one. So you're going to pause the video, go do that, maybe open a different tab or a different browser window. And in Great Britain, they use a pound, so find out how many pounds you get for $1, how many pesos you get for $1, how many yen, and so on, and fill those into these spots. And then turn it back on to watch the rest of the lesson. Here we go, number 1. $1 equals 28.01, 28 1/100 Russian rubles. How many rubles would you get in exchange for $5? Well, we just multiply that times 5, right? And we get 140.05. Another way of looking at it is $1 gets you 28.01. So $5 gets you what? It's kind of like stuff for money. Here's your stuff. You get 28.01 for $1. So how much would you get for $5? Okay, just multiply times 5. Pause the video, try number 2, turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. All right, you guys help me out here. $1 gets you 104.38 Japanese yen. By the way, these are not the answers for the previous page. This is just an example. How many yen would you get in exchange for $7? How are we going to do this one?
Multiply it by 7?
You'll probably just multiply it by 7, right? 104.38 times 7. Help me out here, okay? Everybody shout out the answers. 8 times 7.
56.
Carry the
5.
3 times 7.
21.
Plus 5.
26.
Carry the
2.
7 times 4.
8.
Plus 2.
30.
I'm just going to put a 30 here because there's a 0 coming next. No reason to carry it over there. 1 times 7.
7.
Okay, how many spots do I move the decimal point over? 2. So the answer is 730.66 what?
Yen.
Yen. Good. I don't think you call it yens. I think it's just yen.
Yen.
Okay, hey, we got a phone going off. All right. Number 3. What is that, a pound? Let's go back and look. I don't remember what that one is.
Yes.
No, euro. That's a euro. Okay, 1 euro equals 57.32 Indian rupees. How many rupees would you get exchanged for 4 euros? What am I going to do? 57. Oh, pause the video and do this. If you haven't done it already, do numbers 3 and 4. 57.32 what?
Times 4.
Times 4. Can you believe this is 6th grade Excel?
No.
Easy, huh? 2 times 4 is?
8.
3 times 4?
12.
Carry the?
1.
7 times 4?
28.
Plus 1?
29.
Carry the?
1.
5 times 4?
20.
Plus 2?
22.
Where's the decimal point go?
2 spots.
I like how you said that, between the 9 and the 2. 229.28 what? Rupees. All right, you should have already done number 4. A Canadian dollar equals 9.21 Mexican pesos. How many pesos would you get in exchange for 12 Canadian dollars? What did I do? 9.21 times 12. Good. And 921 times 2 first. So 1 times 2, 2 times 2,
4.
9 times 2.
18.
Good. Put a,
0.
and we have 921 times 1. Hopefully you know that that's 921. 2 plus 0,
2.
4 times 1, plus 1,
5.
8 plus 2.
10. 11.
Okay, how many spots does the decimal point move over?
2.
And make sure that it makes sense. If you get 9 for 1 for 12, 110 makes sense. If you got 1005 for your answer, that would make no sense. 110.52 pesos. Good job. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Tyler, can I see it? Tyler, let me see. Tyler, let me see it.
No. Hey!
I love it.
Okay.
One.
Okay.
30.
Okay.